Hello, guys. Good news. So, the first version of the Awakening app for ecstatic dance, for yoga retreats, for wellness centers, for healers, for yoga teachers, for anything wellness, everything conscious, is now on the Google Play Store. And if you search Awakening Camp on Google Play Store, it should immediately pop up. Today it was approved. So that's a big milestone. And I'm just waiting for the Apple Store now as well, which already I got a response and I needed to change two things. And then basically I'm waiting again for their answer. So if we have both iOS and Android at the same time, I'll start promoting it. So if you want to download it now and you have Android, you can do so. You just click on the link or just search Awakening Camp in Google or in the description or on the channel. You will find awacamp.com/get, where it either sends you to iOS or Android. And two things. I have two requests for you. One is when you download it, leave a review in the App Store. That helps a lot. So if you leave a review in the App Store, that helps a lot. And the second thing is invite your friends and anybody who might be interested in any kind of conscious spiritual community. Invite your friends to join Awakening Camp app. And there's a lot of changes and improvements going to come. This is like the first version. And I already had a friend download it. She tested it and said it worked. So that's pretty good. So yeah. So my plan is to basically keep on promoting it, making it grow. And the idea of the app came from, one is that I wanted to have all these events and people on one app. The other thing is I'm feeling a bit strange today, so I'm not in the best mood. But yeah, I feel like maybe I should go to sleep. Yeah, I don't think there's much more to be said. So I just wanted to announce the app, and we'll see what happens with the rest. And now I'm gonna take care of my health and my fitness level, because I'm like, tomorrow I'm driving to El Palmar for another event, and then I'll see what happens. Okay, that's it.